Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ita Puspitarini and I will present my proposal. ESP need analysis for English learning activities for students of Tunas Harapan Vocational School Tangerang. Next. The problem. What is the formula problem? What are the needs and wants of student in learning English? And what are the weakness of student in learning English? Who is the subject in this research? Student Tunas Harapan Vocational Tangerang. Why should this problem be solved? Tunas Harapan Vocational Tangerang student have difficulty determining their needs and wants that are appropriate in learning English. Next, research design. The researcher collected two different data which they were questionnaire and interview in order to discover the needs of Tunas Harapan Vocational Tangerang learner. Next, background information. How did you get information to research this problem and attempt to solve it? The instruments which have been used by the researcher in the present study were as follow: 1. Need analysis questionnaire, and 2. Quitline interview. And next, relevant study. First style, introvert learners need analysis of English speaking activity. The research, this title is Dinda Amalia. The method used in this research is a mixed method which uses qualitative and quantitative for collection data and the result. This research in the problem become more intense when fear of making a mistake and lack of self-confidence dominate their feelings. Secondly, need analysis in English for specific purpose and vocational school. The research, this title is Iral Study, and the search using qualitative for collection data and the variable this research is the factor problems faced by multimedia student in English learning for specific purpose at SMK and for Kapahyang. Second, this search objective was the English needs. When and lack of multimedia student in English learning for specific purpose at SMK and for Kapahyang, the result of classroom observation checklist should at its could be described the teaching and learning activity oriented to teacher role in selecting and identifying learning resources. And 3D and examination of need analysis research in the language education process. The research, this title is Huya Sonmes, and the research using qualitative method for collecting data and the result. This research, the classification mode made shows that researchers generally contract or four methods, which are mixed survey, descriptive, and experimental models. The result of the classification identifies that to determine the needs of the language, the sample research use survey and descriptive models more often. And next, significance of the research. The result of this study are expanded to support theoretical knowledge about need analysis to determine the need and when and weakness of Tunas Harapan Vocational Tangerang student in learning English and the research hope this research can be of benefit to others who carry out joint research. On the other hand, the research hopes that this research can provide practical knowledge about need analysis to determine the student in learning English. In identification, the researcher hope that the result of this study can be a reference to others to improve their knowledge of Tunas Harapan Vocational Tangerang student need analysis in teaching English. Next, data source. The main data source were taken from the answer given by the respondents and then adjusted to the adjust questions, and then the answer the analysis according to predetermined criteria and described according to test groupings. From this data can also help the author understand how the system is to find out the needs of the learner for each profession. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.